What's up, everybody? In this video, we are going to review about the Charles Schwab broker account. So how you guys can get it, and is it actually better for you guys to get it, or should you not get it? So in this video, I'm gonna cover all that thing up. So if you're new to the channel, like, subscribe, and share, and make sure you hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. So here you guys can see that I'm at the Schwab.com for the brokerage account, and here it has mentioned that online listed equity trades $0 account minimum required for it is $0, opening and maintaining fee is $0, and satisfaction is guaranteed. Easy use and manage your brokerage account with Schwab Sport. Buy and sell, research and plan. Manage with ease. Get Sport 24 over 7 plus convenience over 300 plus branches. So $0 online equity trades reflects our commitment to make investing accessible to everybody. Sell all prices and rates. So we're gonna see all the prices and rates over here. So the commission free trading online, same award winning experience, zero online trades, and plus $0.65 per option trade. No counter trade minimums, no hidden fees. So here you guys can see that listed stock and ETFs, $0 online commission or $0 plus $25 service charges. So this is a cash that you might need to know before investing in it. So option $0 online based commission plus $0.65 per contract fee, and per contract fee you will have to pay $25 service charges, and exercised and assigned options and $0 commission with $0 commission on both sides. US over-the-counter OTC equities. Here you guys can see that online trade it costs like $6.95 with a $25 service charges with each and every one of that. So these are all the lists that you guys can pause and read out. So this is how it goes. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.